Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see we're going to be working on the hairpins today, and the color is 3052, and we are going to be working in these the green plants right in here, filling that in. Yeah, because you know, it was there, and why not, right? Oh my goodness. Let me pull you over. Pull you in so you can see what I am doing. Yeah, I worked on this a little bit last night. Whoops, in the wrong hole. I also worked on the goldfish and the lotus a little bit. Just finishing a thread that I had out. But yeah, yesterday was busy. Just busy. And I told you there was nothing going on in town. Well, there's a concert this weekend, and it lasts for 3 days. And yeah, there's supposed to be 10,000 people coming to that. Or they've sold that many tickets, shall we say. So yeah, it ought to be interesting, but I'm going to the store after I get this video up because I am not waiting, and probably hiding out for the weekend. So yeah, didn't get much stitching done yesterday at all. Oh, I had no plans for my daughter. They're going with my daughter anywhere that I know of. I got some, are you ready? They had Dr. Pepper flavored cotton candy, and my daughter loves Dr. Pepper. So I thought, yeah, this will be a good one for her. So, yay. We'll see if she likes it or not, but I do have to drop that off, but not too much else going on at all. Then I'll run to the grocery store. I don't have any idea what I'm fixing for this weekend at all. Not at all. Nothing's come to mind. It was fairly cool yesterday. I mean, it did rain. I mean, it blew and blew and rained and everything else, and then it quit. And nothing for the rest of the day. Just looked a little cloudy, nothing too horribly bad. So, but it only got to like 70 some degrees. And that was in the low 70s because it wasn't stinking hot when I left. So, yeah. But, so I don't know if it'll do the same thing today or not, you know. What day was that? Monday? No, that must have been over the weekend sometime. It started out cloudy and just stayed that way all day, and then the wind finally picked up. So yeah, it might have been Tuesday. Heck, I don't know. I've lost all track. We need to start on a new week. That's what I'm kind of thinking, because this week is just shot to pieces. Yesterday all day I kept thinking it was Monday because I had Tuesday off. It doesn't pay to upset my little schedule, the one I got going in my brain, because it just messes with me. Whoop, come on. But I am liking working on that goldfish. It's kind of nice. So I'll keep you abreast of my progress with that. So we'll see. But it's nice and easy, and the threads are really nice. I got no complaints with that kit. I don't think I'll be starting the mushroom anytime, too quickly. We'll save that for maybe a little bit later, but yeah. I did want to look for those, I don't know, they both had something to do with gardening, I want to say. And one of them might have said Mary, Mary, quite contrary on it. I don't remember. But I got to look up those. I don't know where they've gotten off to. They may actually be in that. I have a huge trunk. It's probably 3 feet across and about 3 feet tall. And it's just chock full of cross stitches. So it might have gotten put in there because I did that, like in September. I took out some of the ones that, I wanted to specifically work on and left them out, especially all these ladies. I left them out, and Watertown Memory, but not even thinking that it's going to be hot. Now, I have been able to sit in my rocking chair, and the air conditioner is like just right there, so it would blow like on my legs, so it hasn't been hot to work on, because you know me, I don't like to stitch on these big ones when it's really terribly hot outside. So that was not an issue, so we'll just keep going with it for as long as we do, But I really don't want to stop working on this, because, yeah, it's easy to pick up, and I gotta find a home for that needle hole, please. So, and actually it serves as a blanket because the air conditioning blows right straight across the room where I sit on the couch. Yeah. And it gets a little frigid, so hey, we got a blanket. It'll be a blanket when it's done, I'm telling you. What is everybody else working on? Is everybody else working on something fun? Some craft that you love to do that brings you joy, because, life's too short to work on something that just frustrates the heck out of you. I've had those kind of projects. So, whoops, sorry. Got my hand attached over here with the thread. And before I forget, I did have a viewer. Thank you, Tanya, for sending me these beautiful things you're working on, and the finishes. They're gorgeous. They are, I almost forgot what it was called. Stitching with the Housewives. And I will put those right in here. And Stitching with the Housewives, what do you call it, patterns. I don't believe I ever had one of those. So, kudos to you. If anybody else has any projects they're working on, does not have to just be cross stitch. Whatever project or craft you like to do, you can send me a picture to my email address anytime. Even if I don't mention it, like I am right now in a video, and I will get them into the next stitch with me as soon as I possibly can. So, yay. So, yeah. I love to see what everybody else is working on, where their interests lie, and, if it's cross stitch, what kind of, we'll call them pictures for lack of, you know what I mean, what theme they like. But at the time, I just don't have the brain power. Well, maybe wait for winter to work on something that is counted. It just takes so much out of me. This is easy. This I can do. But might get back to some of those. Who knows? Because heaven knows I have some beautiful counted cross stitch. I have all those long dog samplers, and I have a couple from Hands Across the Sea, and Jacob with, what is it called? Excuse me. Choking on my own spit again. Modern Folk Embroidery. So, yeah. It's not that I don't like patterns and way they look. I just, brain just not, it's not the right time of year. Too much going on at work. I'm ready for peace and quiet again. And I know this is already just starting, so we probably got 2 to 3 months more of it being totally busy. And that will also depend on the weather. So, you know, if September and October are very nice, we're still going to have a lot of people. After we have all the people with kids in the summer, then we have people that are retired and older, or just a couple, you know, like a man and a woman, you know, they don't have the kids with them. So, yeah, we have to go through all that. And then the leaves change, so here we are. Yeah. So it really sometimes doesn't even slow down until November. Like I said, depends on the weather. Because there has been years where it started snowing at the end of September, and my daughter and I missed all the beautiful, colorful trees, you know, that we like to go and take pictures of. So, yeah. Fun times. So we'll see what it does this year. Because it seems like it's been different every year. But who knows? Is it busy where y'all live? Do you have tourists? Or is it quiet in your neighborhood? I realize there's lots of people going here and there, and, you know, like going on picnics or going on a day trip or whatever, where people live. So, yeah, we don't get that luxury. They all come to see all this. So I just plan my so-called days and my shopping accordingly. I get it done before they ever get awake, because usually before I'd say 10, 11 o'clock, it's nice and quiet at the grocery store. So I don't know how this weekend's gonna go, because people might have to, you know, they wait till they get here to purchase food and stuff, and sometimes gear. And I think this concert, they have a place where people can, I don't know about tents, but they can park their campers and stuff the 3 days that they're there. So I think that's all included in the price of the so-called ticket, because it's not like they have to park one place and go another place, you know, to hear the concert. It's all just boom right there. Yeah, I avoided that like the plague. Doesn't even interest me, you know. Concerts really never did, you know, do a thing for me. I went to a few when I was in high school, but short of that, no desire to go be with all those people. I just, no. Cannot. And then waiting to get out. So my daughter did say that they might go to Cheyenne, which is a 4 to 5 hour, depending on traffic, of course, 4 to 5 hour drive from here for 4th of July, so we'll wait to see how that all comes out. All right, well, we got that much done. So the next part for that yellow comes down on this side. There's some right there, so just I have to go back over here to finish that, but then it'll be about here done, just in that little section. It is a thing. All right, guys. Thank you, everyone, for sending pictures. I appreciate it. Thank you, everyone, for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.